The big question still remains whether online work is for everyone. Are we all meant to work online? Are we all meant to be in this online working space? And so this is how you can know whether online work is going to work for you or whether it's not going to work for you. These are the questions which you should ask yourself. Number one, am I this person who is self-motivated? Am I this person who can work without being supervised by a person, without someone watching over me, without someone managing my time? That is question number one. If no, then online work is not for you. If yes, then online work is for you. Question number two, can I work consistently even when the returns are slow? Remember, sometimes in online work, the returns may be slow. Especially when beginning, the returns may be slow and continue increasing progressively. Can I still remain consistent in such a situation? If no, then online work is not for me. If yes, then it's for me. Question number three is, am I willing to learn new skills and to continuously improve on the skills that I have? Because the truth is that when you're working online, you must be willing to learn each and every day and to continue improving. Question number four, do you enjoy working independently? Are you this person whom you don't mind working alone? Or are you this person you like working in a company or in an organization where there are many people? Another question is, am I really comfortable with uncertainties and irregular income, especially at the start or at the beginning? Remember, online working is not like the 9-to-5 job. Am I determined? Am I disciplined to wait patiently for that skill to start generating consistent income for me? If yes, then you would fit there. If no, then you would not fit there. So remember to subscribe and to watch more of the videos. Click on the link that is in the description and in the comment. Let me know in the comment section, where do you think that you fit, in the online or in the 9-to-5?